So for the next on the ONSON robot vacuum, so I'm turning it on right now using the remote. So that's the red button is the power button, of course, and it should turn green. And what I'm trying to do is I'm going to do a spot cleaning. So if you look at the manual, it's going to tell you which button to push when you're doing spot cleaning. So first it's going to clean it in a spiral clockwise from the inside to the outside. So you see that from the inside to the outside, and after the maximum radius is 24 inches, it's going to clean in a spiral from the outside to the inside. And then finally, it returns to the starting position and finish the cleaning. So since it's just spot cleaning, it's not going to move. So the spot cleaning is suitable for ground environments where garbage is concentrated. So there's a lot of dust there and stuff that you want to vacuum. That's the best cleaning mode, the spot cleaning, and then it's gonna stop on its own just like that.